Hello and welcome to Pravasi Samvad. We are here at Lalit where a powerful and an inspiring art journey is going to unfold.
Hi, my name is Sirius and I am an artist, and the three of them, these are my pieces. So I started learning art pretty early. I think everybody does. Like बचपन में हर कोई पेंसिल उठा के कुछ ना कुछ बनाता रहता है, ऐसे करके मोर बनाना सीखते, तो वो सब चीज़ें हमेशा से ही थी. But then like after hitting a point where I was confused कि ऐसी क्या चीज़ है, because I also have ADHD, so I cannot stick to things pretty easily. So like at one point I just hit a stalemate कि nothing is working out. What is the one thing that I can keep doing for the rest of my life that will keep me happy and also give me something to process my emotions? And that was art for me. So it was a way to express myself, it was a way to get my emotions out, and it was a way for me to showcase my own self to the world. So that is how we got here. So this one is like one of my favorite pieces so far. It is called Manta Rays, but like an alternate title that I would give it is I Am Not a Monster, because that was the thought process behind it. डीप सी क्रिएचर्स रेजोनेट अ लॉट विद मी, बिकॉज उन सबको एक तरह से मीडिया ने ऐसी इमेज बनाई हुई है जैसे बहुत खतरनाक है, बहुत खूंखार है या कुछ भी है. But if you actually study manta rays or stingrays or any deep sea animal, sharks included, they are pretty friendly towards humans. They don't want anything to do with us, first of all. Secondly, अगर हमारे साथ interaction होते भी हैं, until unless we are threatening them, they don't really care. Like they will be friendly towards us if we are friendly towards them. And it is the same thing with queer people, because a lot of times like being visibly queer, being like out like out and proud, and like being there in the space like space as an openly queer person, we do get a lot of hate, and we do get a lot of people who are like, you know, ये लोग तो बच्चों को बिगाड़ रहे हैं, ये लोग क्या कहते हैं वेस्टर्न नॉनसेंस यहाँ ला रहे हैं, ये सब unnatural है, ये वो है. And that is like something that hurts a lot, because all that we want is the same respect that everyone else gets. और वही चीज एक तरह से यहाँ पे है कि it is just two manta rays floating, and like that is basically what I wanted to portray. Ki we are just like, it is a very peaceful scene. That is how our lives usually are. We live very boring, very mundane lives like everyone else does. And I just feel like we just should be left to, you know, sort of exist peacefully, and like just like deep sea creatures are.
So, any particular challenges you face, or
As a queer person and as an artist, both, I have faced a lot of challenges, and of course everyone goes through this. I think ki art supplies, getting them is a huge challenge when you like don't have a very strong financial backing, because art supplies are really expensive, to be fair. So most of my work features things like these: a 5 rupees ballpoint pen and a 10 rupees felt tip pen. So yeah, so like most of the work that I create is using these things. When I get a good amount, the first thing I do is buy art supplies, and then like when I run out of them, this is what I stick to. So that is like one of the biggest challenges that I face as an artist, apart from art blog every now and then. And as a queer person, as I mentioned, like wanting that same respect and not getting it, because people just view you as a monster for existing differently. That is something that like I've faced a lot, and it is something that I wish, you know, would be better. I wish the world could do better, and I wish we were just like treated like
where
human
do you think
beings.
the sensitization should start?
Right at childhood, like right at parenting, that is where the sensitization should start, because kids, they don't grow up, you know, hating us. They are fed hatred, they are fed things like, yo, you shouldn't play with these people, you shouldn't be friends with them, you shouldn't approach them. So एक तरह से अगर parents ही ये step ले कि these are also humans just like you, there is nothing that is different about them, you should go ahead and befriend them, or you should at least pay them the same respect. That would help a lot. तो जब तक पेरेंट्स इस चीज को रिकग्नाइज नहीं करेंगे, और पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चों को ये चीजें नहीं सिखाएंगे, और पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चों को एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेंगे, तब तक इट इज समथिंग दैट वुड नॉट बी सॉल्व्ड. I'm really grateful that I have like a family that is supportive of me, but that is again a very huge privilege that is lacking a lot, especially in Indian households, I would say.
Great.
Yeah.
Thank you.